Boss, I'm your new follower. Nag-confess ako ng feeling sa babae na love ko. Kaso, sabi niya, makakapag-antay ka ba hanggang sa maging ready ako? Ang problema, mayroong ibang lalaki na nagkakagusto sa kanya at palagi silang magkasama. Anong gagawin ko, boss? At this stage, nasa choosing phase pa si ating namimili pa yan kung sino ba talaga yung man enough para sa kanya. And generally, women are attracted to alpha males. So having said that, you have to act and think like an alpha male for her to choose you. Because you need to understand that women do the choosing. It's just like in nature, diba? Yung babae ang namimili kung sino yung gustong chumukchak sa kanya. In situations like this, sigarilyo, hindi ka dapat mapanghinaan ng loob. You have to have the abundance mindset. You have to be confident na kaya mo siyang makuha. Kasi if you think and act this way, mararamdaman niya ng babae. And remember, confidence is very attractive to women. Ang dapat mong gawin ngayon just chill ka lang. Just ask her out on a date once a week. And when you're on that date, you can start the seduction process na. Huwag ka na mag-worry na, naku, yung isang lalaki doon na ka-work niya may gusto sa kanya. Paano na yan? Kasi if you start thinking like that, you will start to fumble na. Diyan ang papasok yung illusion of action. Meaning, yung parang may feeling ka na may kailangan kang gawin para lang makuha yung attention ng babae. That doesn't work, sigarilyo. Kasi the more you try to get the women's attention, the more they will back away. Kaya kahit naka-work pa niya yung manliligaw niya, it doesn't necessarily mean wala ka ng pag-asa. Paano kung yung ka-work niya wala namang alam pagdating sa attraction? Paano kung araw-araw nagchat-chat yung guy dun sa babae? What if he doesn't have the balls to ask her out on a date? Kahit ka-work pa niya yun, kung ganyan naman yung lalaki, walay din yan, sigarilyo. At the end of the day, if you play your cards right and acted like an alpha male, ikaw pa din yung mas matimbang. So just like what I said earlier, just chill ka lang and ask her out on a date once a week and then start the seduction process while on that date. Do not bombard her with chats, ha? Only use the phone when setting dates. And kung gusto mo pa ng detailed steps at may katanungan ka pa, and sa lahat ng mga sigarilyo dyan who needs my help personally, you can just book a one-on-one phone coaching session with me. You can do that by clicking the link in my bio if you're on TikTok. Pero kung nasa YouTube ka naman, the link is in the description box below. Push!